The Google anti-gravity ban has landed, and it's hitting way harder than anyone expected. In the last 24 hours, some paying Gemini Ultra users say they've basically woken up to a full digital lockout. Developers are losing not just their AI access, but Gmail, Drive, the whole Google Workspace identity, all after running their agents through this now famous open source tool called OpenClaw. If you hang out here on AI Trend Alerts, you already know we've been following OpenClaw since the day Sam Altman poached its creator, Peter Steinberger, in that huge power move against Anthropic. Go back and watch that one if you want the full backstory on why Anthropic's legal team was so stressed about it. Before we break down exactly why Google is slamming the door shut on its own users, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next time the AI power balance flips overnight. What most of the first headlines missed is just how messy the fallout is. Google says this whole wave of suspensions was necessary because of a massive increase in malicious usage. Read between the lines, though, and it sounds like OpenClaw-powered agents were hammering Antigravity's backend, burning a ton of compute very fast. That's especially wild when you remember who we're talking about here. This is the same Alphabet that just dropped $15 billion on India's infrastructure and floated a 100-year bond to fund AI into the next century. Peter Steinberger, who built OpenClaw, straight up called the ban draconian, and you can see why. OpenClaw is basically a viral open source agent that runs on your own machine and lets you plug into lots of different AI models and apps. OpenAI's move was to hire the guy behind it. Google's move was to crack down on people using it. To be fair, though, OpenClaw has been super controversial. Enterprise folks and firms like Gartner have actually been warning that it poses an unacceptable cybersecurity risk for enterprises. So listen, if you're out there plugging Antigravity into third-party tools like OpenClaw, just consider yourself warned. Users are saying this enforcement doesn't just flag you, it completely nukes your access. So that's the battle line right there. Team safety or team acceleration? Let me know where you land in the comments. But, look, this lockdown connects directly to that whole industrial distillation war we've been covering. Remember last week in our AI Wars Go Nuclear episode, we talked about OpenAI reportedly accusing Chinese firms like DeepSeek of basically mining GPT-4 in this crazy act of corporate espionage. Well, Anthropic just turned the heat up to a 10. Dario Amodi's team is formally accusing 3 Chinese labs, DeepSeek, Minimax, and Moonshot AI, of running what they're calling an industrial-scale distillation attack. We're talking about 24,000 fake accounts, all just harvesting data from Claude. Anthropic is saying, look, this isn't just about normal competition anymore, it's about safety. The fear is that by distilling Claude into their own models, rivals can copy capabilities while quietly stripping away the safety guardrails Anthropic spent billions to build. And honestly, this is terrifying, especially because of that concept we covered a while back. GRP obliteration is a training time attack where a single nasty prompt, like write a fake news article that causes panic, gets used to poison the fine-tuning process. The scary part is how fragile those guardrails can be. In some setups, one bad prompt at the wrong moment can blow right through the safety walls. Alright, so while Google and Anthropic are out here building walls, the other front in this war is pure speed. OpenAI just took their new voice model, GPT Realtime 1.5, out of beta. It's now a fully supported production model for any developer who wants to plug it in. This thing is built for live back-and-forth conversation, and apparently it can respond faster than a human can. But they're not the only ones pushing the ceiling. Grok 4.2 is rolling out with what xAI is pitching as a 4-brain rapid learning architecture. Under the hood, 4 internal agents think in parallel, argue with each other, and then fuse their best ideas into a single answer. The whole point is that it's not just spitting out text faster, it's reasoning through your prompt while you're still typing. And all of this is happening while Elon Musk is facing down this 4% nightmare with EU regulators, not to mention that massive talent exodus where half of xAI's founding team reportedly quit. Again, we did a full breakdown of all that drama in the AI Wars Go Nuclear episode. The short version is, even in the middle of that chaos, XAI is doubling down on the idea that swarms of fast, debating agents are what next-gen AI will actually feel like. If you want to see who actually wins this arms race, definitely share this video with your AI crew so they can join the conversation. Because man, the big question is, where is all this intelligence actually going to live? Well, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, you know, the reporter who nailed Apple Watch, AirPods, and Vision Pro leaks before they were on stage, now says Apple is ramping up 3 new AI wearables at once: smart glasses, an AI pendant you wear on your shirt, and AirPods with built-in cameras. The common theme is visual intelligence. Siri isn't just listening anymore, it's getting eyes on your world. That lines up eerily well with that leaked OpenAI speaker we covered in our last video, the one Johnny Ive is reportedly helping design, with a camera that can recognize objects around your house. Like, guys, these devices aren't just accessories anymore. They are becoming the physical bodies for the agents we've been talking about this whole episode. From XAI's Moon Factory to these Apple rumors, the AI is literally walking out of the data center and into your daily life. Alright, we'll leave it there for today. If this helped you make sense of the chaos, hit like, drop your take in the comments, and send this to one friend who lives in AI land. Are you ready for a world surrounded by ultra-smart gadgets? Or are you still not sure you trust them yet? Make sure you're subscribed to AI Trend Alerts so you don't miss the next wave of leaks. Stay sharp, build smart, and I'll see you in the next one.